This module, which can be programmed as a low voltage protector, is capable of operating from 6 volts up to 60. This device can be extremely useful for your projects. Next, I will guide you through the programming process for this function. First, we connect the battery that we want to protect against over-discharge to the V in terminals. In this case, we have connected a variable voltage source to simulate the battery's voltage fluctuations. On the out terminals of the module, we place a voltmeter to detect the passage of voltage. This is where the electrical loads to be powered should be connected. This module has 2 operating modes. If the in setting appears on the screen, we must change it to out. To do this, we press the UP button for a few seconds until the initials P2 appear on the screen. Then, out will be displayed. To program the module, we press the central set button for a few seconds. Then, with the help of the UP and down buttons, we set the upper voltage at 12.6 volts and the lower voltage at 11 volts. We leave the rest of the parameters as they are. By setting these parameters at these values, we are telling the module to start conduction when this voltage is equal to or greater than 12.6 volts and to stop delivery when the source has 11 volts or less. When the module interrupts conduction, its screen will start to flash. I have used this module satisfactorily and therefore I recommend it for your projects.